Are you still processing loan requests manually? Manual processes leads to chaos in process with no visibility, leading to challenges in customer acquisition, customer servicing and operations. Effort is a no-code DIY SaaS platform designed to streamline the loan origination process by assessing the borrower's creditworthiness, verifying information, and determining loan approval, from the initial collection of loan requirements to the final sanction of the loan amount. Through the Effort app, field agents collect initial details of loan borrowers like name, age, and branch name via Effort application forms. Once filled, each borrower is assigned a unique ID. Once a unique ID is generated, further detailed information is collected, including loan amount, income details, CIBIL score, banking details, personal information, guarantor details and address, etc. Managers can track the status of each application form filled out by their field agents in different phases, such as yet to start, in progress, submitted, and rejected. After field agents complete filling all the forms, managers review and either approve or reject them. Upon receiving final approval from the accounts head, the process is complete, and the sanctioned amount is ready for disbursement, indicated by a green status and a unique ID. Field agents visit borrowers to collect ME payments, which can be made via check, DD, or liquid cash, and record the transactions in the Effort app. Effort streamlines collections and deposits, ensuring smooth ME collection from borrowers and preventing fraudulent activities. Managers can enter the unique ID generated to view details such as the monthly amount due, duration, pending dates, etc. Managers have visibility into all activities performed by their field agents through the Effort app. Effort can seamlessly integrate with third-party tools critical to your business for tasks such as RCU, deduplication, credit checks, and decision engines. Key benefits: automates and streamlines loan application processes, reducing manual effort and errors. Improves efficiency by speeding up loan application processing and approval, leading to faster dispersal. Offers a centralized dashboard for loan data and documents, making it easier to monitor and manage loans. Generates reports and insights to help make data-driven decisions and optimize lending strategies. Seamlessly integrates with other software systems, such as accounting or CRM platforms, for unified business processes. Wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility, Google Data Studio and Power BI. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.